Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Bentley Continental. This four-door sedan has a 12-cylinder, 6.0-liter engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 10 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include Bluetooth, automatic climate control, CD changer, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.